My name's Kate, and I'm currently doing a PhD in creative writing and history. So for the big pitch, I pitched for a colouring book idea that has been playing around in my head for a while. It's a way of learning about the Tudors. The money that has been given to me has allowed me to do the business instead of taking on another job. The office space and everything has allowed me to research and put together everything that I've needed to know. And a lot of it has gone into researching just how to publish a book, what ISBN to use, how to get it out to schools, lots of stuff like that. And then, of course, the business connections through the innovation workshops has allowed me to make contacts that will, I'm hoping, lead to me being able to franchise the book out to other people.